Help me help you.
Hello guys, welcome to Joys on Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create multiple Gmail accounts using Gmail.trick method. So let's get into it. Before going into the tutorial, if you are new to this channel, please click on subscribe button to support my channel and click on bell icon to get notification for the upcoming videos. Firstly, let me show you the temporary Gmail account which I have created to demonstrate this method. Now I will open the Gmail app to show you that there are no emails present at the starting of this method. As you can see, there are no emails present at this moment. Now I will open my browser and go to this website which is called testmail.app. This website is used to test the mails and check if it is working or not. Click on the first link. This is the interface of testmail.app. Now I will sign up the website using temporary Gmail account. For this website, you don't need any password to enter. Enter any first and last name. Click on sign up. Now open the Gmail app, and as you can see, there is an email which asks for the confirmation. Copy the confirmation code. Paste the code in the website. Click on confirm. Here you can get many options to test the mail, but I will not go through all the details for now. I will just sign out from this website, and again I will sign up with same account but with different name to check if it's accepting the same email account or not. Click on sign up. Enter the previous mail again. And as you can see, it will not accept the mail as we have already signed in with this Gmail account. Now I will show you the method to use the same Gmail account, and it will accept the account without giving any error. Open a new tab. Type in the search bar gmail.trick and click on search. Click on the first link which says gmail.trick generator. Click on it. Type the Gmail ID, and as you type the Gmail ID, it will generate lots of Gmail IDs which you can use to sign up the different websites. As you can see, it has generated around 256 Gmail IDs from this single Gmail account. This is the first Gmail account which I have used to sign in. Now I will copy the second Gmail ID. Paste it in the website and click on sign up. And as you can see, there is no error occurred. Now I will open the Gmail app again. And as you can see, the email is being sent to the same Gmail account even if it is not used for the second time in the website. Copy the code and paste it in the website. Click on confirm. And here you go, successfully signed in using gmail.trick method. Even if you use all these Gmail IDs, all the emails which have been generated from these Gmail IDs will be sent to the primary Gmail ID. That's it for this video. Please like this video if it has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching.